Good morning. My name's Amber and I'm a garden coordinator with Grow Some Good. And today I'm going to be showing you how to transplant a baby plant, a seedling, into a larger pot. Now you can use this technique at home if you practice container gardening, or if your baby plant just needs a little extra room to grow before you can put it into the ground. Now today I'm going to be planting pak choi. It's a leafy green, kind of like a small cabbage. Now this technique can also be used for any sort of leafy green, things like chard, other types of lettuces can use the same technique. So to get started, I have my baby plant, my larger pot, and my potting soil. Now, when you get started, you want to make sure your potting soil has a good amount of moisture in it. It shouldn't be dry and crumbly. It should also not be wet and mucky like mud. If you squeeze it together and loosen up your hand, you can see it sticks together really well, but still kind of crumbles a little bit. And so that has a good amount of moisture in it. So I'm going to take my pot and I'm going to fill it up about halfway, not all the way to the top, with my potting soil. And I want to have enough soil in there to start so that if I put my smaller pot inside, the level that soil is at the top of the plant right now is about where I want it in the larger pot. So right now my pot's about half full of soil. I'm not going to press it down, I'm going to leave it nice and loose. And once that's ready, I'm going to take my baby plant, I'm going to put my fingers around the stem to help support the plant, and then I'm going to flip it upside down, squeeze the pot, that should loosen it, and take it off. And you can see here the soil is nice and loose. You can see some of the roots growing there, and so we're going to put it now, flip it right side up, and set it gently into the pot. And now my hand is still supporting that little plant, and as it's supporting it, I'm just going to use my other hand to fill in more potting soil around it. And I'm just going to press it down nicely to help support the plant. And I'm going to make sure that my new soil line is not any higher than it was before. So I'm not burying the stem of the plant any more than it was before. And once it's in there nice and firmly, you can see now it's in its new little home. And once you have that, you can go ahead and give it a little bit of water, because transplanting can sometimes be a little traumatic for your plants. You want to try to disturb the roots as little as possible in the process. So I gave it some water, and now my plant is ready to continue growing.